everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on a+2books.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We need to start with the chapter grade 1 math. We're going to start with the chapter addition. The lessons we are going to cover. So let's just start with the chapter addition. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I'm on chapter addition. We're going to start with the lesson addition sentences using number line sums up to 18. So let's just start with the number line, right? Okay, let's just skip this lesson. Okay, we're going to start with the lesson addition fact sums up to 18. Okay, the first one is add 0 plus 5. So you need to add, right? So when adding 0 to any number, the number stays the same. So 0 plus 5 is 5. The number stays the same. Okay, the next one is 5 plus 3, right? So you can add whatever way you find easy. Either make the lines or either you can start counting from the greater number and count until the smaller. Like you have to start 6, 7, 8. So that would be 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Got it? So let's just start with the practice question. The basic thing here is you must know how to add, right? Because we're working on the addition. So the basic thing here is that you can use the method you can find easy for you. You have to add plus 5 is 5. Okay, 0 plus 5 equals, yes, 0 plus 5 equals 5, right? Whatever number you add to 0, the answer is 5. The correct option is 5. Okay, the next one is 3 plus 0. So, which is the correct option? Yes, 3 plus 0 is 3. Again, you are adding 0. So, when whatever number you add to 0, the answer is exactly the same number. 0 plus 3 is 3. The next one is 7 plus 6. So, 7 plus 6 equals, So start with the greater number and count until the smaller number. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So 7 plus 6 equals 13. The correct option is 13, right? 7 plus 6 is 13. The next one is 3 plus 2, which is the correct option. Yes, very good. The correct option is 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 4 plus 5 equals start with 5 and count until 4, right? So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The correct option is 9. It is 5 plus 4 is 9. The next one is 9 plus 8, which is the correct option. So start with 9 and count until 8. So the correct option is 9. And let's just make 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 9 plus 8 equals 17. It is the correct option is 17. 9 plus 8 is 17. It is right. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is make a number using subdivision sums up to 20. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. How do you make 2? You have to select the option that makes 2, right? You are given more than one option. So start with the first one. Check by adding them and see which option makes 2, right? So the first one is 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 equals 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 1 is 3, and only 1 plus 1 is the correct option that makes 2, right? So the correct option is 1 plus 1 that equals 2, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. So the correct option is the one that makes 2, right? So that is 1 plus 1 equals 2. one is how do you make 8, which is the correct option? You have to make 8, right? So let's see which is the correct option. 8 plus 1 is 9, 7 plus 1 is 8, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 8 plus 1 is 9. Which option is the correct one? Which one makes 8? Yes, that is option number B. 7 plus 1 is the correct option. That is the only option that makes 8. The next one is how do you make 4? So which is the correct option? You have to find the correct option that makes 4. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 3 plus 1. Option number C is the correct option. Very good. That is 3 plus 1. Okay, the next one is how do you make 6? So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number D is the correct option, right? 5 plus 1 is 6. Option number D is the correct option. How do you make 7? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? You have to make the 7. The correct option is 6 plus 1. Yes, that's option number C. 6 plus 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is how do you make 9? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that's option number C. 3 plus 2 is the correct option, right? 3 plus 2 is the one that makes 5. Okay, let's just move on to next lesson, right? You can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is make a number using addition. That's the one we just finished. Addition sentences for word problems. You can do it on your own. Related addition facts. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, which is the related addition fact for 3 plus 7 equals 10? So we are going to learn what are the related addition facts, right? So the related addition fact to 3 plus 7 equals 10 is the option number 1. 7 plus 3 equals 10, right? Related addition facts have exactly the same numbers, just their position got swapped. Here you have 3 plus 7, and here you have 7 plus 3, right? They are just swapped. Now the 3 and the 7 swap places. Got it? So the related addition facts have exactly the same numbers, just they have their positions swapped, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Which is the related addition fact for 4 plus 3 equals 7? Which is the correct option? That is the same. The related addition fact have exactly the same numbers, just they have their position swapped. So that is 3 plus, you can see they have their both sentences have exactly same numbers. 3 plus 4 equals 7 is the correct option. That's option number C. 3 plus 4 equals 7. C is the correct option. Okay, which is the related addition fact for 3 plus 7 equals 10? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, A is the correct option. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Which is the related addition fact for 5 plus 1 equals 6? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is option number A again. 1 plus 5 equals 6 is the correct option. Option number A is the correct option. correct option is, yes, that's option number C. 4 plus 2 equals 6 is the correct option. Which is the related addition fact for 3 plus 6 equals 9, which is the correct option? The correct option is, that's option number B. That is option number B is the correct option. Which is the related addition fact for 8 plus 2 equals 10, which is the correct option? That is option number C. 2 plus 8 is equals 10 is the correct option, right? Which is the related addition fact for 8 plus 2 equals 10? That equals option number C. 2 plus 8 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me move on to next lesson. The next lesson is, that is addition sentences, true or false. Let's just start with the test questions, right? Which sentence is true? Which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? correct option is that is 3 plus 1 equals 4. Option number A is the correct option, right? That is 1 plus 3 equals 4. Which sentence is true? 2 plus 3 equals 5 or 2 plus 2 equals 3? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that's option A. 2 plus 3 equals like option B. First one is the correct option. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Which sentence is true? 1 plus 4 equals 2 or 1 plus 4 equals 5? That is 1 plus 4 equals 5. Option number B. 2 is the correct. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 plus 4 equals 5 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 3 plus 2 equals 4 or 2 plus 1 equals 3? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is 2 plus 1 equals 3. Which sentence is true? The correct option is 4 plus 1 equals 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? correct option is that is 3 plus 1 equals 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that's the second one. 1 plus 2 equals 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and I think next one is the last lesson from the chapter edition. Let's just start with the next lesson. That is add a one digit number to a two digit number without regrouping. Okay, let's just start with the lesson. So let's just start with the test question. We are going to add a two digit number and a one digit number, right? How do we add? Start with the digits that are at the ones position, right? So here is the ones position and here is the 10. At the ones you have 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Correct option is 5. And you don't have any digit below 1. So you have 1 as it is, right? So that will be 15, right? The correct option is option number 1. 13 plus 2 equals 15. The next one is 13 plus 5, which is the correct option. The correct option is 18. It is option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 13 plus 6, so which is the correct option. The correct option is yes, 19. It is 13 plus 6 is 19. 11 plus 7 equals 'The correct option is 18. 11 plus 7 equals 18. 10 plus 9 equals very good, 19. It is the correct option is 19. 15 plus 3 equals the correct option is yes, 18. It is the correct option is 18. 11 plus 1, which is the correct option? The correct option is 12. 12 plus 5, which is the correct option? Yes, 17. It is the correct option is 17. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 math. Chapter we were working on is addition. The lessons we have covered today are addition facts sums to 18, the word problems you have to do on your own, then addition facts sums up to 20, make a number using addition sums up to 20, Addition sentences, word problems you have to do on your own. Related addition facts, addition sentences, true or false. The one we have just covered is add a one digit number to a two digit number without regrouping, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can join me in the interactive session that will be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? Or either you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask questions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.